Here I have Infinix Hot 30, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. So here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some images, for example, could be this one, maybe this one. Then tap on three dots here, select if you want to move these images or if you want to copy them. So let's copy. And select where to SD card. Then you can select to which folder, could be pictures, and tap copy here. And now we can find these three pictures not only on our device but also on our SD card. And here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.